Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Welcome back, guys. So in this video we will check the remaining visualization types. So let's create an empty report. So from the demo data we will select the search console data provided to us, add this data to the report, and it will be added. Okay, so till now we have checked uh, bar charts. So let's check the pie chart. So pie chart are same as other type of charts, but they are in this manner. So when you click on the pie chart, so it will show you chart with some default data. So the properties of these pie chart has dimensions, matrices, and sorting order. So you can represent data of your choice. Like if I want to show um, landing page as a dimension, so it will show me the data as per the landing page, like displayed here. So let me increase this width and height of this pie chart so you will check it properly. Okay, so in metric the data you want to display is actually the metric. So rather than URL clicks, you can also use any other metrics. So one more thing I want to show you, that whenever you click on the dimension, so only dimension part will remain active and all the other attributes will remain inactive. So when you click on the metric part, so only metric part will remain active and all the other will remain inactive. So you can easily drag and drop your data of your choice. So let's click on the impressions. So these are all the impressions as per the landing page. So if I view this data, so it will show me all the labels and the values. Okay, so this is quite simple to create. You will simply need to click on the pie chart button and it will automatically be created. So let's check some of the properties, some of the styling. Okay, one more thing you can do with this pie chart is you can, as we did before, you can set date range to check that. Okay, so let me add some URL clicks so I will be better able to understand you the. Okay, so against the device category. Okay, so if I click on the view, it will show me that desktop have 48.5% of clicks, tablet have 4.2%, and mobile have 47.4%. So if I select the date range of let's suppose last year and apply, so it will show me all the stats of the last year. Okay, I think last year have been already added, so let's change it to the last quarter and click on the apply. Okay, so the pie chart have been updated. So you can also add some other filters and date control, like let's suppose we want to check some specific data. So let's add the device category data, and if I click on the device category and check for only mobile, only for desktop and tablet, so it will show me the data for only the tablet and desktop. So this is quite simple to visualize, this is quite simple to handle. Like you can also select the date range, that in this specific date range, and I want to check the data for only these two devices or only for the one device or as per your need. So this is quite easy to implement. Okay, so let's check the properties, styling properties. Okay, so pie chart, you can select the number of slices. Like if I select two slices, so it will show me the, I think, two slices or something like that. Okay, so it will show me the number of slices as two. So I don't actually want two slices. Let's increase the slices to five. So in this case, it will show me the top five or top three or top two. Okay, so the slices you can also use single color. Single color means that it will show you the data as a heat map, like the data where the density or where the count is greater, so it will increase, so the color will be dense here in that area. So slice order, so same like previous, dimension values also the same, dimension values and colors. So you can also create a pie chart in this fashion. It is also useful, or it also look fascinating sometimes. So for now let's move it back. Okay, so some other properties are labels. Okay, so one thing is percentage. Either you want to show the percentage or you want to show the label or the value. If I click on the value, so it will show me the value. If I click on the percentage, so it will show me the percentage, that what percent of the data resides in this part. Or I can also assign label that the desktop, the mobile category and the tablet category. So I think, or the none category is that it will only show you the legend and the plain pie chart, so it won't give you enough of information. So let's click on the percentage. Okay, so the label size, let's set the label size as 28, so it will increase the label size. You can also set the font as per your need, like this one or anything else. Okay, sorry. So remaining of the styling features are background and border. You can select the background and border like this one, or you can, okay, so opacity, if you decrease the opacity it will look quite dim, and the, or it will look quite, so as you increase the opacity it will be more clear and visible. So this is the opacity. You can also set other features, like you can set the border color as, let's say, this one. So border color is changed. Border width, you can also increase or decrease this border width. Border style, you can say dotted one. So as you can see, the border style is changed and in dotted format. So these are all the styling features. Okay, so one more thing, legend. The three dots that describe that which color describes which attribute are known as legend. That the legend is actually the key of the visualization. Like this is showing you that the desktop is presented in blue color, the mobile is presented in the red color, or tablet is presented in yellow color. So you can also change this position of legend, like you can show this at the bottom, you can show this at the top, or you can simply hide this. So this is hidden. Now you can show this to the right, you can show this on the top and on the bottom. So these are all the uh, styling features of the pie chart. You can also play with other of the features. If I click on the any area, so it will show me the blue line that this area is currently selected, this area is selected, or this one is selected. You can check that the red line is highlighted, so you can simply apply any type of filter, you can apply any type of date range. So this is quite simple to use. Other type of pie chart is donut chart. So donut chart is totally same as the pie chart, but the only difference in both of these are, as you can see, that this is like donut shape, empty circle or disc like. So this also represent the same information but in slightly different manner. Both of them are, these are actually the same one. So the pie charts are useful when you have data and it represents you the data in 360-degree format, like it will divide the data in the form of chunks and show those chunks in the visualization. So this is all from the pie chart section. We will continue with the next type of visualization, which is geomap in next video. So stay tuned.